I'm going to be making just a simple anti-inflammatory smoothie. And you see this smoothie, it will have a variety of nutrients, antioxidant and free radical fighting compound to keep inflammation out of our system. But you see, at the same time, it will give our immune system that extra boost to keep out all of the invaders them from entering our body. Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. So some of the ingredients I'll be adding into this smoothie, I'll be adding 2 ripe banana. And we know ripe banana is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with loads of energy giving carbohydrate. And the banana, it is also an excellent source of potassium. Turmeric, I'll be using 2 nice size turmeric. And the turmeric, it have a compound inside it called curcumin, correct me if I'm wrong, which have many proven health benefits like preventing heart disease, Alzheimer's, and many more. It is also anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. And the turmeric, it may even improve depression. Ginger, we'll put a nice piece of ginger inside it. And the ginger, it is loaded with antioxidant compound that prevents stress and damage to the body's DNA. The ginger, it may also help your body to fight off chronic disease like high blood pressure, heart disease, and disease associated with our lungs. Cinnamon, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And cinnamon, it contains antioxidant with anti-inflammatory effects. The cinnamon, it may improve your gut health, reduce blood pressure, lower blood sugar, and the risk of type 2 diabetes. And the cinnamon, it may relieve digestive discomfort. Black pepper, I'll be adding in half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'll be adding 1.5 cup of almond milk and just a nice little tot of honey. So that's just a basic description of all of the ingredients and the benefit they have to offer. If you want a more detailed one, just have a look down below in the description and I will put a more detailed benefits of each of them ingredients here. Again, if you like the information we're getting from FadaGugs so far, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. So let's just go on and just make the smoothie. So let's just get our blender ready. First we're gonna just peel the 2 banana. Just get a 1 broke and drop it in the blender. Very easy smoothie, and it's, as I say, healthy. Just peel the banana, just drop them in the blender just like that. Yeah. So next we're gonna just throw away black pepper, half a teaspoon, then cinnamon, which is 1 teaspoon, then the ginger and the turmeric. Always wash your ingredients. I've already washed mine, but remember, wash your ingredients. So basically what you want to do, you just want to cut up the ginger and the turmeric as fine as possible. That's it. Just cut it up as fine as possible. So got it easier on the blender. Yeah, what we're gonna do, just drop that in there. Same with the turmeric. Remember, wash your ingredients. Just cut it up fine. Yep. Just chop that inside the blender. Turmeric have a strong scent, so we're not going to use this piece. And then we're going to put the almond milk. 1.5 cup. That's nice. And then with the honey now, we just have a little squeeze of honey. And that's it. So there you have it, all ready to start the process of blending. So I'm just get this out of the way. Bring the blender forward, just clean up the place a bit. Just like that. So here we have it, people. All ready to start the process of blending. Just back up this a bit so you guys can have a little look. So here we have it, people. All finished blending. Color look nice. Yeah, I like the color. Nice and rich. So I'm just move the blender out of the way. Yep. Just bring my chopping board forward a bit so I can put it in a nice glass so you can have a look. Nice little glass. Oh, that smells nice. So this is the final product. Yeah, I like the color. There you have it. So I'm gonna just put a bit of ingredients on it just to kind of decorate it up a bit. So here we have it, people. A nice and simple anti-inflammatory smoothie. And don't forget, this smoothie have a variety of nutrients, antioxidants, and it can also improve the immune system. So if you like the video, just give FadaGugs a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And as always, share it with your friends and your family. But for now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.